Ma'am Mari B. Ayan. And thank you for inviting the Prodigal Sons.
Tonight it's hard to say on my own. I feel like taking a walk. I can't stand the trick that you play on me. In time, you first took a sip of me. You looked at me as we were a dream, and suddenly you made up my mind. Oh, but the look in your eyes, I knew it so fast. The time that we are no over now. You're standing alone, you're needing someone who suddenly sweeps the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind will sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind will sweep the night away. And it makes the difference of walking that dream, 'cause probably it changed your mind. I just can't figure it out. Oh, and there's beating by say by day, but